Yo, what's up, scholars? Man, thank you for a productive week so far, man. Missed a lot of you guys in our Zoom meetings, but I get it. Maybe I'm boring y'all. I don't know, but hopefully we'll be able to, see each other at the end of the week or beginning of the week next week. But nonetheless, keep, doing your work. That's really what matters, man. Just keep getting better. Before you know it, we'll be out of this thing. So we're gonna be talking about plotting points on a coordinate plane today, and a lot of you guys are familiar with that already. So there's a lot of pictures in here, like today and tomorrow, but this first picture goes with, the questions, and the questions has like, you know, like this part right here. This is what you have to answer from this graph, right? So I just want you to plot it and then make sure that the answer is correct, all right? So number one, it says which answer is correct. So we're finding 3, -2, right? And remember, if we're plotting on a graph, we go left or right first, and then up and down second. Left and right first, up and down second. So let's go back to the graph, right? So left and right first, so over 3, and then down 2. That looks like, so right here, over 3, down 2. So that should be E. That should be E. And wait a minute. Oh, I'm sorry. Oopsies, I went the wrong way. See, and that's why we gotta be mindful. So it is right here, over 3, down 2. Over 3, down 2. So that is B, not E. B, not E. So that is B. All right. So that's answer choice C. Answer choice C is B. All right. Number 2 says which answer is correct for 2 over 2 up 3. So that's going to be over 2 right here. 1, 2, and then up 3. So that answer is D. And whatever answer choice D is for number 2, that is also C. That is also C. So number 2 was 2, 3, 4, C. All right. -5, 5. So we're going to go over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then up. What? Hold on. Let me see. Up 5. So up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is O. That one is O. So whatever answer choice O is, that is also C. 3 C's in a row. So that is also C. Number 3. Number 4, -7, -8. So we're going to go over to the left and then down. Over to the left and then down. So over to the left and then down. That should be H. That should be H. Yep. Whoa. Is that C also? What the fudge? That is C. And that is C as well. Huh. Number 4 is C. Because we went over and then down. All right. We're going to go over to the left and then down for number 5. Over to the left and then up. I'm sorry. Over to the left and then up. So over to the left and then up to C. -4, -4, -4, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that should be point C. -4, 4 is point C. And point C is A. All right, got a different letter this time. Point C is A. Point C is A. All right, number 5. Nope, that was number 5. Number 6. 5, -5, 0. So we're staying on the x-axis. What, that look creepy, my hands. We're staying on the x-axis, right, for number 5. Number 6, 5, -5, 0. And -5, 0 is, -5, 0 is over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 0 stays on that line, so we are staying on the y-axis as F. So number 6 should be F. Number 6 should be F, and that is C, and that is correct. All right, which is the ordered pair for E? So we got to go back up to this, right? And the ordered pair for E, the ordered pair for E is going to be over to the left, 1, 2, 3, and then down 2. So it is, E is -3, -2. -3, -2. All right, -3, -2. And that is C. -3, -2. That is C. Number 8, ordered pair for M. Ordered pair for M, so we have to find M. And that looks like we're gonna go, so we're not moving any left or right, so we're staying at the origin, so that's gonna be 0. And then it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0, -6. M is 0, -6. All right, is that a choice on here? 0, -6. Yep, that is B. All right, number 9. Number 9, what is the ordered pair for P? So let's find P, and again, we have 0, right? Because we gotta go left or right. No, I'm sorry, that is incorrect. We gotta go left or right first, so that's gonna be 8. We're gonna cut over 8, and then since we didn't go up or down, we stay at 0, so that's gonna be 8, 0. 8, 0 for number 8, or for number 9, and 8, 0 is D. 8, 0 is D. See? Wait a minute. I checked the wrong answer on that one, but yes, it is 8, 0. So that should be this one, not that one. Because, yep, that's right. All right. Oh, my hand. Sorry. Let's see. Here we go to number 10. G, ordered pair for G. That's going to be over 7 and then up 8. So G is 7, 8. Okay. All right. And then the next one is Q. Q is this way, so we're going over 8 and then 0. So Q is -8, 0. All right, -8, 0. Remember, it's left and right first, left and right first, up and down second. All right, and then number 12 is N, so the ordered pair for N, ordered pair for N. So we're gonna go over 5, 5, and then 5. So it's 5, 5. So N is 5, 5. All right, that's it for that part. Good job. That's it for that part. Like my hand? Now we're gonna use this same picture here for these questions. So 13 through 20. So you have to plot the points, negative 6, 3, negative 3. So which quadrant is that in? All right, so we could do this real quick. So which quadrant is that in? Negative 6, negative 3. So we know that it's going to be negative and negative. So that is going to be in quadrant. Remember, right? Remember the quadrants. This is quadrant 1. Positive, positive is quadrant 1, right? Negative, positive is quadrant 2. Negative, negative is quadrant 3. And negative, positive, or positive, negative right here is quadrant 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So that one is negative 6, negative 3 is quadrant 3. Quadrant 3. All right. So negative 6, negative 3 is Q3. All right. And let's read the next one here. 2, 4, 2. So 2 over and then negative 4. That is quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. Quadrant 4. So 2, negative 4 is Q4. Quadrant 4. All right, and then 5. So 5 over 5 and then up 8. Over 5 up 8. That is going to be quadrant 2. Quadrant number 2. All right, and then B. So whatever that is, that we're just going to look at that, and that's going to be over. Quadrant B is over and down, so that's in quadrant number 4. Quadrant number 4. And then J. J is up here, so over here and then up. Over here and then up, that's going to be quadrant 2. Quadrant 2. 1, 2, and I said over up. This should be quadrant 1. I'm sorry guys, this should be quadrant 1. This is quadrant 1 because it's positive, positive. Over up, that's quadrant 1, Mr. B. But you guys knew that. All right. The next one is I. So we see here I is over and then down. So that is going to be 1, 2, 3, quadrant 4. I is quadrant 4. 18. That was 18. D is 19 is D. So over and then up, that's quadrant 1. Quadrant 1. And then number 20 is E. E is, where's E? Oh, right here. Okay, so E is over and then down, and that is quadrant 3. 1, 2, 3. And that, ladies and gentlemen, marks us done. All right, that was easy. And tomorrow's lesson is going to be even easier. So, you probably be done with that in like 4 or 5 minutes. But if you make mistakes, please do it again. Don't just settle for calling it done. The more you do, the more you practice, the better you become. All right. See you in our Zoom meetings next week. And until then, have a great weekend. And remember, I love you. Peace.